So, one of the biggest issues that we face and we're dealing with currently in the senior living industry is that around staffing and labor. So, when you look at it from your perspective and your experience in the chemical and sanitation industry, what are some opportunities for operators in that space and in that area?
Well, every industry has been affected by the labor shortages, and we definitely have had some terrible situations with this. I think one of the things that we need to do is make the job easier for the people that we have working for us, and which will help to retain them, put the right tools in place for them to do their jobs. Uh, if we can create efficiencies, do ergonomic things, cut down on workers' comp claims, things like that, you're going to retain your employees.